Hi guys, today we have iPhone 10 touch screen not responding after drop to the ground. As you can see, the touch screen responding, but in some area it doesn't even move. So we have a dead spot on the touch screen. I'm going to open the device, remove the first two screws. In order to open the 10X, we need to heat the screen. We can heat it with 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and as you need. Remember, when you open this device, it will be no longer water resistant. Now bring the suction cup to unplug the screen and push it out. You can then use your fingernail or you can use any plastic tool. I don't recommend any metal tool. Now all you have is to swipe all over the edges and the screen will be released. Keep heating if you feel the screen needs more heat. Until now we don't know what caused this problem, so we need the screen to be in a good shape. We just need to assemble the device and then we can test if the screen is damaged or not. I'm going to assemble a new screen and then I will test if the screen was the problem or not. Remove shield bracket. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 screws to be removed. And after that, I'm going to unplug the battery. When you are dealing with any device, the first thing you must do is to unplug the battery. This is very important. Otherwise, any short could cause to the board when you remove some other flex cables. When you remove the battery, after that you can remove any flex cable you want. I'm going to remove screen flex cable and then with the ear speaker flex cable. Ear speaker flex cable is glued with adhesive to the main frame. There is a glue. You have to remove the glue from the flex cable. Be cautious not to damage this flex cable. This is very important. I got the new screen. I'm going to assemble a new screen and then I will test if the issue is still remain or will not. You are going to assemble. You put the screen flex cable and then you put the battery flex cable. This is very important. Okay, the device now is working. Face ID not working because we didn't put it yet. The screen seems working. All the touch spot is working fine. I'm going to check more. All the keyboard, everything seems fine, so the problem could be with the screen itself. So we can now determine that the issue was from the old screen, and now all you have to do is to assemble the new screen, and that's it. Our problem has been solved. If you have any question, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.